Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take a minute to show you some of my latest DIY projects. I went out in our side yard and dug up some moss and put it in this cute little container. I threw some dirt in the bottom and then put the moss in. Sprinkled a little water in there, and we're going to hope for the best. The second project I did today is create these little solar lights, and I'm going to put them out on my deck. All I did was just take the end off the solar light, pop it in. I found this little shade at the Goodwill store for like $2, and place it on, and you have a cute little solar lamp like I did with the one in the back. It only takes just a few minutes. You can hot glue them if you'd like to make them a little bit more permanent. I may do that in the future. And the next project, I had a succulent plant that literally fell apart. So I took the little petals and put them in some dirt, and believe it or not, they started to grow. So now I have this little succulent arrangement. And granted, it'll take a little while to get it big enough to be beautiful, but for now, we're just gonna baby it along. I missed it every day or every other day, and so far, it's doing great. So, those are my DIY projects I just wanted to share. Thanks for stopping back, and have a great day.